no. Hey, what's up, you guys? My name is Markeisha Denise. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you're not new here, like I just said, welcome back.
Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Welcome back.
I know I've been gone for a while, but today it's gonna be like a little bit like this video is gonna be like the last video I did, except for the knotless braids gonna be bigger. Yeah. So if this is something you're interested in seeing, keep watching. If not, you already know you can go to the left, to the left, to the left. Yeah, you can go to the left, to the left. So yeah, guys, we about to do some knotless braids. So as you can see here, my hair is dirty, it's dandruffy, and it needs to be washed. So what we're gonna do is start off with some freshly washed hair, okay? In 1, 2, 3, check. So we got our washed hair out of the way. Now we got a blow dryer. So freshly blow dried hair. Freshly blow dried hair. So now that your hair is blow dried, we're going to begin sectioning, or should I say parting, because that's what we're doing. We're parting. This is the part I hate. We're gonna go ahead and part. So I'm gonna switch my little scenery up real quick, and y'all gonna see the mirror behind me in the back of my head, or y'all gonna see the back of my head, and I'm gonna be trying to see like in the mirror behind me, you know, whatever. Okay, so that's what we gotta do. Okay. Emotions running wild like a feel when I'm next to you. Something's on your mind. You wanna stay, but won't tell me. It's a bunch of secrecy. So what are you trying to hide? I hope y'all can see this. my camera ran out of memory and I did not get the finished product, but I'm gonna do the baby hairs and gonna see if I can prop this phone up somewhere. But this is, I decided to put the little beads on it or whatever. Don't mind my room. But yeah, this me. This you? This you? Okay. Oh, okay. So let me set this up real fast and then I'm gonna do the baby hair. Alright, there we go. Now let's get these baby hairs together. For the baby hairs, I'm gonna be using True Edge, little True Edge. Let me go and comb down some. I don't like this one right here. I tried my best to put that one in the braid, but it wouldn't go up in there. Ooh, that's hot, that's hot. This you? I know this ain't the bitch that got you tripping on me. Bitch. Who you calling a bitch? Bitch, I'm calling you a bitch. And there you have it. Yeah, cause who finna do what to who? Not you? Oh, okay, yeah, cute. Let me show y'all the bottom. Let me show y'all the back. Don't mind the back, baby. I know the back probably needs to. Let me tell you something. I did this by myself, okay? Cause I don't want to hear it. I didn't make it that long this time. And there you have it, you guys. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me be sure to give me a thumbs up. If this is something you'd like to see more of, be sure to leave that comment in the comment section below. Once again, my name is Markeisha Denise. Thanks so much for tuning into today's video. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it was kind of sorta a little bit kind of sorta helpful. A little bit kind of sorta, a little bit kind of sorta, a little bit tiny little bit kind of sorta. I don't know. I didn't get the whole thing, but you know. But I think I did good. But this is my first time doing some jumbo knotless. Yeah, because I did the knotless the first time, and I did the jumbo knotless. Yeah, and see, I ain't do too much with the baby hair this time, but yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Bye.